You ever heard of AWS? Been wondering what exactly it is? Well, I'm gonna see if I can shed a little bit of light on that question. Let's talk about what is AWS. Well, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and it is a branch or a subsidiary company of Amazon.com, the overall big Amazon.com, you know, the one where you buy all your stuff from, everybody nowadays. AWS provides on-demand cloud computing and web services to businesses, organizations, governments, and even regular people. It came into existence around 2006 somewhere, and in layman terms, it's basically everything you can think of computer infrastructure wise as a service. So instead of a business or organization having to buy a server, buy the software, license the software, provide a place for the server, power for the server, someone to hook the server up and maintain the server, instead of a business having to do all that to run their infrastructure or their organization, the CEO could just with a laptop log on to Amazon and spin up that entire infrastructure by himself automatically, on demand, and only pay for what he uses. So it's a pay-as-you-go type of model. So instead of having the ongoing cost of maintaining the equipment, power for the equipment, buying new equipment when equipment components fail, you don't have to worry about none of that. Amazon takes care of all of that. All you do is pay for the time and the amount of the services you need as you go. In 2021, AWS offers over 200 products and services. That covers as a service pretty much all the infrastructure any company or organization would need to run the business. Some of the most popular or well-known AWS services include EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud, S3 or Simple Storage Service, EBS, Elastic Block Store, ECS, Elastic Container Service, AWS Lambda, Route 53, RDS and DynamoDB, CloudFront, Kinesis, and the list goes on and on. Amazon overall is a massive company with a huge footprint, but AWS itself, as of April 2021, reported 32% year-over-year growth and accounted for 32% of the over $42 billion cloud market. Just to put that into context, Microsoft has about 19% and Google has about 7% of the market share for cloud infrastructure. There are currently over 24,000 job postings listed on AWS's website. And as of today, AWS has over 105,000 employees listed on LinkedIn. Lots of big companies use AWS infrastructure. Kellogg's, Adobe, and Netflix to name a few. According to Intricacy, the top 10 AWS users based on EC2 monthly spend are number 1, Netflix at 19 million, Twitch at 22 million is number 2, number 3 is LinkedIn at 13 million, number 4 is Facebook at 11 million, number 5, Turner Broadcasting 10 million, number 6, the BBC 9 million, number 7, Baidu 9 million, number 8, ESPN 8 million, number 9, Adobe 8 million, and number 10, Twitter $7 million. AWS is clearly a monster in the cloud industry. One of the top employers. It's probably going to be pretty lucrative to work at a high level for AWS. In fact, 5 of the top jobs available at AWS and their salaries are going to be AWS Solutions Architect Professional. 2021 average salary is $161,409. Number 2, AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. 2021 average salary $154,348. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. 2021 average salary $153,142. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. 2021 average salary $158,777. And AWS Certified Developer Associate. 2021 average salary, $159,767. It pays to work at AWS, apparently. And there are certification courses that will put you on a path to becoming or to position you into one of these roles that I just named. So Tech Fam, what do y'all think about AWS now that you got a little bit of information on it? Would you consider going down a career path, learning some AWS, becoming an AWS employee perhaps? What you think about it? Put it in the comment section. Tell me your thoughts on AWS, where it is positioned in the industry. Do you like it better than Google or Microsoft? Another thing I want y'all to make sure y'all do is smash that like button so we can get these videos in front of people who may benefit from it, for the YouTube algorithm. And that's going to bring this video to an end. I hope it gave you some insight into AWS and what it's all about. And until the next video, family, peace.